Hello and welcome to another episode of Weekly Current Affairs Quiz. Question 1. Where did DRDO successfully conduct the flight trials of the UAV launched precision guided missile B3? A. Hyderabad, B. Kurnool, C. Bangalore, D. New Delhi. The correct answer is option B. Kurnool. The flight trials of the UAV launched precision guided missile V3 were successfully conducted at the National Open Area Range in Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Question 2. Which prestigious tournament did Divya Deshmukh win last year prior to her World Cup success? A. World Chess Championship, B. World Junior Championship, C. National Chess Championship, D. Asian Chess Championship. The correct answer is option B. World Junior Championship. Before her World Cup victory, Divya Deshmukh won the World Junior Championship in Ahmedabad, dominating the field. Question 3. What does the term wasting refer to in the context of child nutrition? A. Low weight for age, B. Low height for age, C. Low weight for height, D. Chronic undernutrition. The correct answer is option C. Low weight for height. Wasting refers to low weight for height and is an important marker of acute undernutrition, often caused by inadequate food or illness. Question 4. Where was the Mera Gaon Meri Dharohar initiative launched? A. June 2020, B. June 2021, C. June 2023, D. June 2022. The correct answer is option C. June 2023. The MGMD initiative was launched in June 2023 as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Question 5. What is the total cost of the hydrogen train project undertaken by Indian Railways? A. Rupees 136 crore, B. Rupees 150 crore, C. Rupees 100 crore, D. Rupees 200 crore. The correct answer is option A. Rupees 136 crore. The total cost of hydrogen train project is approximately rupees 136 crore. Question 6. What is the estimated optimal radiotherapy utilization rate for cancer patients in India? A. 50%, B. 55.4%, C. 60%, D. 58.4%. The correct answer is option D. 58.4%. The study found that 28.5% of cancer patients in India receive radiotherapy, which is significantly lower than the optimal rate of 58.4%. Question 7. Where is the 14th edition of the India-Singapore Joint Military Exercise, Exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025 being held? A. New Delhi, B. Jodhpur, C. Chennai, D. Bangalore. The correct answer is option B. Jodhpur. The 14th edition of Exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025 is being held in Jodhpur, India from 27 July to 4th August 2025. Question 8. What was the import tariff rate agreed upon in the US-EU Trade Framework Agreement? A. 10%, B. 15%, C. 20%, D. 5%. The correct answer is option B. 15%. The US and the European Union agreed on a 15% import tariff on most EU goods, half the initially threatened rate. Question 9. Where is Sohrai art traditionally practiced? A. Jharkhand, B. Odisha, C. Rajasthan, D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option A. Jharkhand. Sohrai art is a traditional mural art form practiced by tribal communities in Jharkhand. Question 10. What is the estimated tiger population in the Sundarbans Tiger Reserve? A. 50 tigers, B. 75 tigers, C. 101 tigers, D. 150 tigers. The correct answer is option C. 101 tigers. According to the latest tiger census, the Sundarbans has an estimated 101 tigers with 80 inside the current STR and 21 in the adjoining South 24 Parganas forest. Question 11. Who was recently conferred with the G.P. Birla Memorial Award? A. Kasturi Rangan, B. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. V. Narayanan, D. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. The correct answer is option C. V. Narayanan. V. Narayanan, the chairman of Indian Space Research Organization and secretary of the Department of Space, was recently conferred with the G.P. Birla Memorial Award. Question 12. Where did the first tsunami waves caused by an earthquake hit the Russian coast? A. Kamchatka Peninsula, B. Severokurilsk, C. Vladivostok, D. Sochi. The correct answer is option B. Severokurilsk. The first tsunami waves caused by an earthquake hit the Russian coast along Severokurilsk. Question 13. What is the name of the airport where Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the new terminal building? A. Chennai International Airport. B. Coimbatore Airport. C. Tuticorin Airport. D. Madurai Airport. The correct answer is option C. Tuticorin Airport. PM Modi inaugurated the new terminal building at Tuticorin Airport. Question 14. What is the minimum annual income for a woman to be considered a Lakhpati Didi? A. Rupees 1 lakh. B. Rupees 2 lakh. C. Rupees 50,000. D. Rupees 10,000. The correct answer is option A. Rupees 1 lakh. The Lakhpati Didi model refers to an SHG member whose annual household income is at least rupees 1 lakh. Question 15. Which nuclear research facility in India previously handled the testing of heavy water equipment? A. Indian Space Research Organization. B. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. C. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. D. Bhabha Atomic Research Center. The correct answer is option D. Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Until now, the testing of heavy water equipment was carried out by Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Question 16. Which two states are proposed to have dedicated corridors for renewable power lines to protect the GIB? A. Rajasthan and Gujarat. B. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. C. Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. D. Punjab and Haryana. The correct answer is option A. Rajasthan and Gujarat. The committee proposed dedicated corridors in Rajasthan and Gujarat to protect the Great Indian Bustard from power line collisions. Question 17. What is the full form of ECBA as proposed by the Reserve Bank of India? A. Economic criteria for banking authorization. B. Eligibility criteria for business authorization. C. Enhanced criteria for bank allowance. D. Electronic criteria for bank approval. The correct answer is option B. Eligibility criteria for business authorization. ECBA stands for Eligibility Criteria for Business Authorization, which is a new regime proposed by the RBI for granting permissions and approvals to urban cooperative banks to open new branches and set up other infrastructure like ATMs and processing centers. Question 18. What is the base year for RBI Digital Payments Index? A. March 2019. B. March 2020. C. March 2018. D. January 2021. The correct answer is option C. March 2018. The RBI Digital Payments Index was introduced in January 2021 with March 2018 as the base period set at 100. Question 19. When did the development of the Kavach system begin? A. 2000. B. 2012. C. 2018. D. 2015. The correct answer is option D. 2018. The correct answer is option B. 2015. The development of Kavach began in 2015 with extensive testing over a span of 3 years. Question 20. Where were the successful flight tests of the Pralay missile conducted? A. Odisha. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Gujarat. D. Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is option A. Odisha. The flight tests were conducted from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.